shit, bitch. You better rev your shit, bitch. You better rev your shit, bitch. You gotta get the angles. Hey, you better rev your shit, bitch. Everybody's leaving right now. We getting close to them all leaving. Alright, it's tough. Nah, that 720 goes crazy. I don't even know. That's not a 720. I'm bugging. Yo, this Supra is fucking hard. We've seen this shit. No, we've seen this shit at the parking structure meet. What the fuck? Shit, what the fuck is that? Oh, this dude making a U-turn. Let's see that shit. God damn, what the fuck? One wheel feel a fucking two. Oh shit, he almost crashed. Oh, I thought he was gonna spin it. Chill. Bro, you got a green light, bro.
Let's go. Hey, your turn signal's on. Hey, your blinker's on. Your blinker.
Yo, she's like freaking out.
They're a little new.
Oh shit.
Is that Jake?
What the fuck? Oh shit. What the fuck? Hey! Oh, God. Oh, fuck. This is CS. Yeah, it is. God damn, look at that shit, bro. Oh shit, it's Alright, I'm hopping my shit, bro. There's like 9 cops, bro, pulling up everywhere. They blocking out everywhere.
The night is young. We
Oh my god, shut up, Crispy. But there's hella cops, so...
It's not a fight show. We gotta go.
Yo, go walk up to the passenger princess and have some.
We were here.
Hey, who's in the passenger?
I don't know, it's kind of bad.
Oh, I've been? Yeah, bro. Hit her up.
Passenger of the car.
Passenger seat, middle.
Hey, you could arrest me any day. Got that cat. God damn. Okay. Fuck, nah, they spinning back here. We gotta go. Fuck it. Hey, this bug out, dude. He always bugs out. He about oh shit! Got that 3-wheeler whipping that bitch! Whipping that bitch, what the fuck? Yo, this 3-wheeler whipping that shit! What the fuck? Bro, I know his tires are bald, bro. God damn, look at his tires. Tires. I've never seen that before. Dude.
Yeah, let's go flying over the
What the
speed bump,
fuck?
bro.
You better go flying. Alright, this dude's just going through a tire tonight, I guess. God damn. Okay. What the fuck? Shit. You gonna spin that bitch back there or what? Oh yeah! God damn. Got my boy Go Hemi right here. You better shoot flames, yep! One more! Nah, you're not gonna shoot him. He'll shoot flames later. Got a Hellcat right here. I was messaging him on Instagram, his shit's nice as fuck, bro. Shit sounds crazy. Alright, so we went from a Hellcat to whatever the fuck this is, bro. A Accord with butterfly doors. Big ass fucking wing, bro. Hey, comment down below what you think of that car right now, bro.
Bro, like, yeah, this shit's so fucking badass. Fuck that car, bro. Fuck that car.
That shit sounds good as fuck, bro.
Does he not know that his fucking license plate is on hooks?
Hey.
I wasn't revving it.
Alright, we'll let everybody know, homie.
Don't try me.
I'm telling you too, dog. Park up. It's a parking you. Hey, God. What's up, bro?
Oh, they're back. We see them every once in a while. Damn. I don't know if y'all can see cops put up over there, so we're probably gonna need to go to a new spot, bro. Probably gonna need to go to a new spot. He couldn't make over the speed bump and now the cops follow him. Shit. Ah, shit. Don't light him up.
It's not private property. You can't let him go.
What? What did I just see? Oh, no, he's good, but I don't know where he's going. He's going somewhere. That shit low as fuck, but yeah. Yo, this little. What the fuck? That RC car shooting flames. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, we got cop 1, 2, 3. Hopping in my whip. We got Jay right here, but we on the way to the next spot. This shit's gonna be active tonight, I can tell, bro. Everybody's on ghetto shit. Super Bowl just ended. So make sure y'all stay tuned in this video. This shit's gonna be content. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Hopefully y'all are enjoying this. And yeah, let's see what happens at the next spot. Yo, we spot already. Damn, okay, we at the next spot. This shit's already getting tough. Holy shit! What the fuck's going on here, bro? Holy shit, what the fuck did I just miss, bro? What the fuck did I just miss? That shit was doing two-step crazy, it's still going. What the fuck? Hey! What the fuck?
That shit, it has side axis. That fucking air was hitting me like max.
God damn, bro, this shit, that fucking Infinity over there is still going, bro. What the fuck? Jesus, dude. This is how to do burnout. Shit, cop pulled up, he was doing a burnout, but he gonna run. He got no plate on, he's out. Fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. New spot already again? Fuck, bro. Alright, I'm back in the whip. That's actually gonna call it a night. As y'all can see, we got a cop there. There's one somewhere else over there. But hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. I know I haven't uploaded a vlog like this in a little bit, but hopefully y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below what kind of videos y'all want to see in the future. Make sure y'all go check out my YouTube shorts. I'm close to 10 million in the last 3 months, which means I will get monetized. So I pray that y'all keep doing that and keep watching them videos. I appreciate y'all, and hopefully y'all have a good rest of your day. Appreciate y'all watching, and other than that, I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.